Great to see you again, and a big thank you if you shared this previous video with a friend. I hope you enjoyed the free ebook. So in the previous video I started showing you how to make $100 a day online. What business model works best, what to avoid, how anyone can make money online regardless of the amount of free time you have, the location you are in, or the age you are at. I also showed you that I've been on many leaderboards, and I've shown you that I have helped a lot of people to start making money online. I strongly recommend you watch the first video before you continue with this one. I've placed a link in the to the previous video below. So back to the drawing board. We are talking about how affiliate marketing is a two-step process. And I was about to show you how you can make 20 times more by adding 1 or 2 steps. So let's dive right in. Let's look at the product first. What are the best products to sell? Or let me use the correct term. What niche should you be in? Now the top niches are health, now that is weight loss, bodybuilding, healthcare, etc. Then wealth, that's financial planning, make money online and so forth. Love or relationships, that's dating, porn, etc. And I don't want to mess around there. The next one is education. Now I like to combine wealth and education. It's like having a golden hook. No matter what pond you cast into, you are sure to catch a fish, as everyone wants to learn how to make money online. And I want to point out that websites are kind of dead. They've become nothing more than online catalogs. You need to get a customer laser focused on one product and one product only. Sending people to a website filled with choices just creates confusion. And if there's one thing you can take away from all of this, a confused mind never buys. Now this is how we're going to get a customer laser focused. So step 1, what if we work smarter and not harder? We collect the email of every person before they go to the sales page of the product. Why would we want to do that? They have already shown interest in the product, so you can remarket similar products to them at some later stage. Number 2, a person might get interrupted while he's browsing the sales page. Now he might have quickly sneaked a peek during lunchtime. And you would want to remind them of that sales page so they can view it whenever it suits them. Now this can be fully automated, of course. There are different stages of the buying process. Perhaps the person is looking at ways of making extra money online, but that person is not ready to take that first step. Constantly reminding the person of your solution might just come at the right time, and you make that sale. Number 4. I just want to point out that you can make anywhere between $1 and $5 per email per month you have on your mailing list. Now, can you imagine having 10,000 people? Now, number 5, consider this. You've built up your business and you've put away a healthy nest egg. Now comes the time to retire and sell your business. Now, how is the value of your business determined? Yeah, by the size of your mailing list. So now we have a good product in a top performing niche. We are collecting emails as we go along. We're following up with them and making more money than we did with a simple two-step system alone. Now, as I said, collecting emails can be done manually, but imagine if you start collecting 500 emails per day. What a load of work. Let's rather automate this. you would need some sort of software that helps you automate the process. But some cost as little as $1 for the first month. And yes, you need to look professional when sending out these emails. So you would need to purchase a domain. But again, that can be done for as little as $2 per year. Now I consider this to be nothing in the big scheme of things. What else can we do to improve our chances of a sale? Now let's add one more step. People buy more from people than what they do automation. So let's build a bridge page or a thank you page. This is a simple page where you thank a person. Now videos work best where you thank them for leaving their emails, you tell them a little bit about yourself or what brought you here and how the product has helped you. Now this is proven to help with sales and make more money. Now do not try and sell the product. That is what the company and its sales pages are for. Remember, you only refer. Yes, you would need some software for that, but in most cases you can use the same software that sends the automated emails. And as I said, most cost $1 for the first month. I know all too well that you are thinking, Marius, this is great and all, and the principle seems 100% on the mark, but I don't know how to set up a page where you capture emails. I don't have the equipment, or I don't know how to make videos. I don't know what products to choose, what will sell well. I'm technologically disabled and I don't know how to do any of this stuff. Well, life has a way of throwing mountains in the way of any entrepreneur. And as an entrepreneur, we will find ways around this. And if not, we just go right through them. Well, I've done so already, so you don't have to. Now, in the next video, I will show you what I've come up with to make it super simple. And I would like to show you one final piece to scale your business. This is not an extra step, but just some common sense. But let's leave this for the next video. If by now you still have doubts that I can help you, here are a couple of testimonials. If you've not shared this video with three friends and you want to get the free ebook, I've left a link below. If not, please remember this is not a must, it is optional. I look forward to seeing you at the next video, so please click the link below.